Hazardous constituents may be present or associated with nearly every building material within a structure, and as such need to be handled and managed accordingly during renovation, demolition, or ongoing operations and maintenance. Asbestos is the generic name given to a commercially and legally defined group of 6 naturally occurring fibrous silicate minerals widely utilized in commercial products. Asbestos has been used in over 3,600 commercial products, primarily installed in buildings through the 1980s. Some of the most common ACMs include flooring, such as vinyl tile or sheet flooring and mastics, roofing materials, decorative ceiling textures, including popcorn ceilings, pipe insulation, and fireproofing. So there's 2 principal federal agencies that regulate the management and disturbance of ACMs. These 2 federal agencies are the Environmental Protection Agency, or the EPA, as well as OSHA. Asbestos is a known carcinogen. The EPA has therefore concluded that there is no level of exposure below which the risks of contracting an asbestos-related disease are 0. Asbestos fibers accumulate in the lungs, and as exposure increases, the risk of disease likewise increases. Lead was used in paint because it helped drying times, increased the durability of the paint, and is resistant to moisture and mold, making an excellent additive in paints for exterior purposes. Lead is absorbed and stored in the bones, blood, and tissues. Lead contains many associative regulations. The EPA regulations are generally applicable to residential structures built before 1978 and child-occupied facilities in which children under the age of 6 are present. PCBs are man-made organic chemicals which have no taste or smell and vary in use and consistency. PCBs were utilized in building materials starting approximately in the 1930s and were banned in 1979 under the Toxic Substances Control Act. They're listed as a probable human carcinogen of the liver. Exposure to PCBs disrupts the immune system, reproductive system, nervous system, and endocrine system. PCBs are regulated under TSCA. The enforcement of PCB regulation falls on the local EPA region. Materials included under the Universal Waste Rule include batteries, pesticides, mercury-containing equipment such as lamps, as well as aerosol cans, which actually just got added. It's regulated by the EPA and by the DOT. These include ozone-depleting substances, tritium exit signs, smoke detectors, electronics, and it's regulated by the EPA, NRC, DOT, OSHA, a whole bunch of people.